Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your new user discount on Temu. Whether you are shopping for the latest gadgets, clothes or home essentials, Temu has some amazing deals for new users. And I'm going to walk you through how to claim them, so let's dive in. Find the Temu app, now open it. To find the new user account, select the U button. Here you can find the option of coupon and offers, now tap on it. Here you can find the discounts and coupons that you get being a new user in Temu. You can tap on to get button. Here you got the discount card of 90% off. Now select the things that you want to buy and hit the checkout button. Your new user discount will automatically apply at checkout. Once everything is confirmed, hit place order and that's it. You will receive your confirmation and tracking info once your order is processed. And there you go, that's how you can easily claim your new user discount on Temu. It's a great way to save money on your first order. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.